Air conditioners, as common household appliances, have been widely adopted in households. The outer shell of an air conditioner serves as a protective cover, and its molding process directly affects the texture, durability, and overall performance of the air conditioner. We are currently testing 2 complete air conditioner shell production lines customized by overseas clients, including 840mm and 1100mm specifications. This includes panels, middle frames, turning pages, lower covers, bases, filter screens, and buttons, totaling 7 components. Assembled products. The air conditioner shell requires high precision and adaptability for each component. The entire set of air conditioner molds is provided by Sino Mold, made of selected high-hardness steel, with high-precision processing and long mold life. The reasonable layout of cold and hot runner systems shortens the product molding cycle. The plastic parts are made of HIPs, which are high-strength, high-temperature resistant, and stable, suitable for producing air conditioner shell components. Sino specializes in customizing injection molds for household appliances, ensuring precision engineering and high-quality manufacturing to meet the diverse needs of our clients.